want and play with Atrin and Soren.
Hello, kids!
He's a chicken coop. Whoa. Hi, friends! Wow, farm animals! Wow! I want to be a farmer. Hi, Nikan farm animal. Yes, I want to be a farmer like that. Then let's go to the farm and see what farmers do. Let's go. Yeah. Farmers make sure all the animals have good food, clean water, and a safe place to live. They help animals grow strong and healthy so we can enjoy the food and other products they provide. Let's see what farmers do in the farm. Let's go! Look at the bird's nest. Shh, be quiet. Woo! A cat! Look at that cat! Let's pet him. Farmers keep cats on the farm to help control pests like mice and rats. They take care of cats by feeding them and making sure they have a warm place to sleep. Yay! He's an excellent farmer. Look at the chickens. See the chicken coop? Whoa! Farmers gather eggs from chickens and raise them for meat. They make sure the chickens have food, water, and a safe place to live. Look at the horsey! Hi, Mr. Horsey. Oh, hey! What the hawk? Over here, look. Hey! Farmers use horses for riding and sometimes for helping with work on the farm. They take care of horses by feeding, grooming, and exercising them. Look at the cows. Hi, Mrs. Cow. Farmers milk cows to get milk, which we use to drink and make cheese, yogurt, and butter. They also take care of them by feeding them and keeping them healthy. Look at the goat.
Hello, kids!
Farmers milk goats to get milk, which can be used to make cheese and other dairy products. They also raise goats for meat and wool. Farmers ensure goats have food, water, and a safe place to live. Look at the donkeys.
Habadabadoo!
Farmers use donkeys to help carry heavy stuff and sometimes for riding. They make sure donkeys have good food, water, and shelter. They sleep here at night time.
Wow!
Look at the sheep. Hi, sheep. Farmers shear sheep to get wool, which is used to make clothes and blankets. They also raise sheep for meat and take care of them by feeding and protecting them. Here is the farmer's garden. Here farmers planted different crops like tomatoes, cucumber, and zucchini. Farmers also grew vegetables, fruits, and flowers in gardens. They plant seeds and water plants to help them grow. They gather like fruits, vegetables, and grains, so they provide us with the food we eat every day. Look at the apple trees.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
And the pears. Nom nom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share the videos with your friends. Bye bye. This is fun.